Hello, my dear students. Now consider the next topic. Here it is. The next topic is to be called as a name resolution. Here it is. One rule is there, but here it is. I am unable to understand. What do you understand by LEGB? So, wait for a minute, my dear students. First of all, we just go through with the definition of name resolution. Here it is when you assess a variable from within a program or function. Python follows name resolution rule, which is in turn is also to be called as a LEGB rule. And what do you understand by L? Here it is. L stands for local, whereas E stands for enclosed. And my dear students, G for global, and the last one is B for built-in. My dear students, hopefully I think so that L for local is clear somewhere. G for global is again clear somewhere. B for built-in is again clear somewhere. But somewhere we never understand anything about enclosed. Don't worry. Kindly concentrate on the next slide, my dear students. Here it is, the example. Kindly concentrate. Here it is, my dear students, when we just go through with the program, here it is a is equal to 25, my dear students, that a is equal to 25 because this is outside the main and outside all the function, then it is to be considered as which kind? Global. Now, next function is out and here it is a is equal to 35. My dear students, enclosed is the concept which you are supposed to understand in this program. A is equal to 35. This is a local variable and this local variables belongs to a function that is out. But can you please explain me that a is equal to 35 is a global variable or a local variable to a function out in? My dear students, again I am repeating, a is equal to 35, which is a local variable to a function out, but we never say this thing that a is equal to 35 is whether a local or a global variable to a function that is out in the function, the variable. In that case, I am not sure that A35 is local or global to a function out in. In such case, such kind of portion is to be called as a enclosed. The variable which is not clearly declared local or global, that particular section is to be called as a enclosed, whereas a is equal to 45 is a variable which is declared inside the out-in function, and then it is considered as which kind of variable? Local. A25 is a global, a is equal to 35 is enclosed because I am not going to declare it as local or global, and a is equal to 45 is considered as a local to which function? Out in. Then there is a print function. Now my dear students, just write on your notebooks, when we run this program, they display a value. Before that, again remind LEGB rule, where L for local. First of all, it means they search for a value that is local. Next, they search for a value that is enclosed. next they search for a value that is global, and if they don't find local, enclosed or global, then they display a value that is B. B stands for built-in. In such case, if we run this program as it is, they display first of all, they display only value that is local. Next, if we insert a hash symbol, yes, for making the line, that is the making the line as a command. In such case, if we insert here this symbol, this line is considered as a command. Then if we run the program, then they search for a E, and E stands for enclosed. And again, if we insert a symbol here, then it is searching for the next value, that is called as a global. And if they don't find any value, my dear student, the last topic is, what if you use or update variable inside local scope? I am repeating again. What if you use, क्या करेंगे जब आप यूज करना चाहें या फिर आप अपडेट करना चाहें वेरिएबल को जो है कहां पे, किसी जगह के लोकल स्कोप के अंदर. एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा. There is example, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate. Here it is. A is equal to 15 is to be considered as a global variable, whereas def print 1 is a function. First of all, I just want that you all run that particular program without this line, that is a global A. It's my humble request. Kindly erase that particular line, that is global A, from this program, and then run this function or a program. They display an error, and they display error that they never support this thing, that A plus 20. My dear students, when this program runs, kindly concentrate, they move toward a def print 1 and they automatically move to a main section. Print global variable A is equal to A. As per my knowledge, they display a value that is 15. 1, 5, 15. Again, if you run a function that is print 1 without global A, they returns you a error. They returns you a error that, my dear students, we having two variables. One is global and second one is local. Here it is. A is equal to A plus 20 is not applicable, but if I want to make a modification in that particular variable, we are supposed to make that local variable to a global variable with a keyword that is global, and then we run a function that is print 1. They automatically consider that local A variable as a global variable, which in turn save a value that is 15. It means A is equal to A, where A having a value 15 plus 20, it means the new value for A is considered as 35, and they print that thing. Local variable A inside print 1 function is considered as A, that is 35. But my dear student, this local variable is converted into which variable? Global variable. And now we considered or call a print statement that global variable A after function call is A, that is 35. First statement says A is equal to 15 because it retrieves the value from a global variable. Then next print statement, print statement or a print one function calls the function convert a global variable a into which variable? Global variable. Add 20 in that particular variable, that is 15 plus 20 is 35. Display the value 35, and now the global variable which in an initial stage which having a value 15, now they store a value that is 35. Thanks for watching, my dear students. I am very impressed with all of you doing excellent work in form of assignment. My dear students, I just in turn giving one more assignment with this interactive session, and hopefully if you face any kind of problem in the content, you revert back to your teacher uh, with full confidence and do the assignments as early as possible. But you having a time, that is Wednesday and Thursday, you are supposed to return before Friday. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.